What's going on, guys? I'm Roadmaster, and today I am going to be doing another install on Project Silver 2 valve right here. So today we're going to be doing something about this wheel gap right here, because yeah, that's a pretty big gap right there. So we're going to be taking care of that. I have all the stuff right here thanks to late model restoration. And I've actually had these since winter. I've had these since winter. I just never had the chance to install them. So I got my friend Jake coming here later, but I'm going to try and start it myself. So I'm going to see how this goes. I'm probably not going to record a lot because this is new to me and I want to pay attention to what I'm doing so I don't mess it up, because it's a pretty important part of the car. So I'm going to start by jacking this car up and taking the wheels off. I'm just going to do the front first. I only have 2 jack stands. So I'm going to do the front first, and then I'm going to do the back. Hopefully I'll get one side done by the time Jake gets here, but we'll see, because it's, let's see, what time is it? It is 5 o'clock now, and he gets off work in about an hour. So, and side note, it is a beautiful day today. Like, this is like the perfect day to work on cars. So this is what I'm doing right now. This is how I'm going to spend my evening, which it's going to be a lot of fun. I just got a new pry bar because I did attempt this at one point, and I didn't have the tools for it. So we got this all ready to be jacked up, and we're going to take the wheels off. Alright guys, so I got the first side done after like 3 hours. So you can see the coilovers sitting in there quite nicely. I don't think I'm gonna record the other side because this was pretty intense, but yeah, it'd be a lot of footage I don't have room for. But we got the coilover in there, got the caster camber plate right here all tightened up. Just need an alignment on it still. But now I'm going to move to the other side tonight, and I will probably finish this thing tomorrow by doing the rears. So the rear stuff to be done, and the side stuff to be done, which we're going to do now. Alright guys, just thought I'd give you a quick little update. So we have the strut all the way out. As you can see, we have the spring out too. Well, you can't really see because the lighting's terrible, but we got the strut and the spring out. There's a spring over there, and the strut's on the other side. I'm getting the caster camber plate all situated, and then the new coil spring is on the other side, somewhere over there. You can't really see it, but yeah, it's coming along good. This is going way faster than the first side because I didn't know what I was doing, but now that I know what I'm doing, it's coming along pretty good. So I'm going to finish this up today, and I'll show you guys when I'm done with this side what it looks like and when the car is lowered in the front. But I still got to do the back side, and that's going to be done tomorrow. Okay, so I got another side done, and it is looking really nice. Let me see if I can shine the light on it for you guys. So yeah, we got this side done, and about time to put the wheels back on and bring her down, and we'll be all set. Got everything in here, caster camber plates, all in the middle right there. So we're good. And same on the other side. Well, you definitely can't see this side because it's dark outside now. But it's about 9:30 at night, and I started this at 5. So it took me quite a while just to do the front. So tomorrow's gonna be the back. I'm gonna save the final reveal. I'm gonna save the final reveal for when we get all 4 corners done. Yeah, so it's the next day, and as you can see, the car is on jack stands. Took the front wheels off so wouldn't give away the front, how low the front is. But I have been working on the back now for about 3 hours, and we are almost there. You guys can't really see anything, but yeah, so this is what we got going on here. I'm trying my best to give you guys some lighting. So this is what we got going on. I'm waiting for my dad to get back so with the adapter so I can torque all this stuff down. And then that's about it. I just gotta adjust it, finish up some few pieces, and we will be good to go. As you can see, I got the trunk torn apart. I actually didn't know that these cars came with a spare, so that's pretty cool. So we got a spare right here, and I know the lighting sucks for you guys, but yeah, the trunk's torn apart, all the stuff's right here, and we're almost done. So it's probably gonna be dark by the time we get to lower it, but I'll have some shop lights and stuff like the ones I had yesterday. I will talk to you guys when it's all done. Now I got the whole thing put back together, and I'm gonna show you guys right here. Still can't see anything, but yeah, they're all put together, so we just gotta put the tires on. Alright guys, so we got all 4 tires on both sides, and let me go to the other side for a better view. And we're gonna lower this thing down now, so let's see how it looks. Alright guys, so we just lowered it all the way, and it's still, you can fit a couple fingers in there, like 2. Maybe we'll go lower in the future, but for right now, I think that looks great. Check the front out. Yeah, and I'll get you some daytime shots tomorrow in the morning, guys. Alright guys, so it's been about 2 weeks since I last recorded anything, and this is going to be the end of the suspension video, the coilover video. But this is what the car looks like right now as it sits. So, you get a little bit closer. Yeah, that's basically what I was going for. But I think the car looks amazing. I don't know if you guys can see the wheels because the camera's got some weird coloring going on here, but this is how the car is going to sit officially. I really liked it. I did have it really low in the back, and it started to cut my wheels, as you guys can see there. So, okay, that's not wire. So yeah, it just started to cut my wheels, as you can see really right there. And I had to raise it up a bit, but yeah, this thing hasn't even been with me for a week. It's been in storage somewhere else because my dad is in the garage, and I finally got it cleaned out. So we are going good here, and the GoPro sucks in low lighting. But oh, there it goes. It's a little bit better. But yeah, so we have this thing back now, and going to get an alignment on Monday. I haven't really driven it with the coilovers, maybe like 100 miles or so. But we're gonna get those, get the alignment done, and then it should be good to drive. It was at its first show last week, which I will throw a picture up. Actually, if you guys want to see that picture, go check out my Instagram at 67roadmaster. So I think that's gonna officially end today's video, guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like down below, comment what you guys want to see next, and tell me what you think about how the car looks now, because I think it looks so sick. But yeah, so if you guys enjoyed, like I said, leave a like and a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the roads.